guys, I'm out here in McDonough, Georgia. I'm gonna make this real quick because time is of an essence. This community has one lot left. Hear me clear. It's a ranch home, guys. A lot of you guys call me looking for a ranch. Here's your opportunity. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths. This community has lake, swim, tennis, close to shopping, close to eateries, and I mean, it's beautiful out here. This lot is a little over ½ an acre, but it won't last long. So you gotta call me now, you gotta act fast. When I tell you this community is totally sold out, it's totally sold out. One lot left. This is not the actual home, but this is the picture and the elevation of what it will look like when it's completed. So it's a ranch plan, 3 bedrooms downstairs, a loft upstairs with a bedroom and a full bath upstairs. It has everything. Let's take a look and just see some of the finished work. But again, this is not the actual home. The actual home is located right across the street from this home. Completion estimated time is maybe July of this year, so it's ready to go. Call me now, but let's take a look. Tell me, how do you like that 4 bedroom, 4 full baths with the loft upstairs? This is a ranch plan. It won't last long. McDonough, Georgia, Henry County. Call me now, Lowe 770-885-3790. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share. Take care.